Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the General Grievous theme on piano. First, let's identify the core melody. This iconic piece is usually in a minor key, giving it a menacing feel. Pay close attention to the very first four-note motif. It's the theme's signature. The tempo is a slow, deliberate march, so don't rush. We'll break down each hand to help you master this powerful composition. For the right hand, the melody largely utilizes the D minor harmonic scale, which gives it that unique, unsettling quality. Begin by practicing the main theme's opening phrase, which often starts on the note A. Focus on the precise rhythm, especially the dotted eighth notes followed by 16th notes. This rhythmic accuracy is crucial for capturing the theme's dramatic impact and recognizable sound. Take your time with each phrase. Now let's turn to the left hand, which provides the deep, ominous bass line and harmonic foundation. You'll frequently encounter chords like D minor, A minor, and G minor, which build tension and support the melody. Consider using sustained notes or simple arpeggios to create a full, resonant sound. This provides the necessary weight and darkness, truly bringing the General Grievous theme to life on your piano. To master this piece, practice each hand separately until comfortable, then combine them at a very slow tempo. A metronome is your best friend for gradually building speed and ensuring a steady rhythm. Most importantly, focus on dynamics. Use strong accents and varying volumes to convey the theme's menacing and powerful mood. With consistent practice, you'll soon be playing this iconic piece with confidence and expression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.